up, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today we're gonna be reviewing the new Nike Zero Dunk High. Let's get it. Let's read the tag. It says Dunk High LX Next Nature Women's size 8, men 6.5. Check out the box. It says Move to Zero is Nike's journey towards zero carbon and zero waste to help protect the future of sport, which is pretty nice. That's that side of the box. We're gonna turn to the side. It says Move to Zero. Same thing. This product is made with at least 20% recycled content by weight, which reduces waste and our carbon footprint. So this is Nike's new line where they try to make a shoe that's good for the nature. You know, everything, they try to make everything seem to be recycled, which is good. Need a little recycle in the world. Let's go ahead and check out the inside of the box. Okay, right straight to it. No tissue paper, which is part of the Move to Zero circle. And we have the new Nike Dunk High Nature, LX Nature. Box, as you can see, empty. No paper. Don't need that anymore. All right, here we go. Let's get into it. We got the nice, different kind of texture. It's real nice. It's like a cloth type material. You got your white toe box. You got your brown going around the toe box also. You got your, I would say that's like a khaki quilted looking material right here with your black Nike check. You got a pine green kind of cloth material also. And you got the back of it with a little orange little tag on the back. You got the inside that's real different. This inside actually has some fake fur on the inside, as you can see. Inside of there says Toasty. So this is like a shoe that's made for the fall and winter to keep your feet warm. Yeah, feels real nice too. This definitely will keep your foot warm, so do not wear this in the summertime because your feet will be sweating. But as for the winter, this is a perfect shoe to wear. You got your brown bottoms, your khaki shoestrings. It didn't come with any extra shoestrings. You got the little Nike symbol on the top. It's brown. And then just looking at this shoe, it look real nice. It looked like it's a nice insulated shoe, which have yet to see because I haven't worn yet. But once it gets cold, well, it's, colder, I'll be throwing these bad boys on because these is a nice shoe. I love this colorway, nice fall wintry colorway. You can wear your browns and your khakis with it. Real nice shoe. Nike Dunk High LX Nature. That's the right shoe. Let's get to the left shoe. Looks the same pretty much as the right, with your white on the toe box, your brown going around this front toe box also, your khaki, then your white, your black Nike check with your green quilted material going around the shoe. Same fake leather fake fur on the inside, and your brown bottoms. Yeah, this was a nice shoe though. I like this shoe. It's different. I like this new line that Nike has, trying to make shoes better for the environment, not using as much waste as they use on a lot of shoes that we have that Nike makes. But this is a nice step in a better direction, trying to make shoes that's better for the environment. We all need a healthy environment. So hey, Nike, I appreciate you trying to help out by making these shoes. They got a lot of different shoes on that Move to Zero line that's made, with just a little bit, made with trash. Like if you haven't heard of the Space Hippies, those are made out of trash the same way. I actually have a pair of those. These right here, these are the Space Hippies that's under Nike's Move to Zero line that's made out of trash also. The whole bottom is made out of trash. And these shoes right here are, I know this video is not about the Space Hippies, but if you want a comfortable shoe, this is the shoe, the Space Hippie. They are so so comfortable. I love this shoe. When I just put them on, you don't feel like you got nothing on. That's just how comfortable they are. But that was this is the Space Hippie. This video is not about the Space Hippie, so let's not have those. Let's get back to the Dunk High that we're talking about. But yeah, let's get a close-up look at the shoe. That's the front, side, and then you got your bottom. Dunk High Next to Nature by on the Toasty line. You want some warm feet in the winter? This is your shoe. But hey, that's it for this video. Just wanted to show y'all these new Toasty Dunks. Nice pickup for me. If I haven't said it, I'm gonna need y'all to go ahead and like and subscribe. Continue to watch these videos with me. Not watch these videos. Watch these videos of me showing y'all these new reviews of these different shoes that's coming out. And hey, until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.